Welcome to the FileMaker Pro 7 Idle Competition, the search for the hottest FileMaker Pro 7 solution, and you are the ultimate judge. Over 50 FileMaker Pro 7 databases created by developers throughout the globe were submitted and then reviewed by a blue ribbon panel of FileMaker judges. The panel has selected 7 finalists whose solutions you are about to judge, but only one winner will be selected to be the FileMaker Pro 7 Idol for 2004.
Our fourth finalist is Cris Ippolite, president and founder of iSolutions, FileMaker consulting firm in Santa Monica.
Thank you.
Cris?
Hi there. As was just mentioned, I'm Cris Ippolite. I'm from iSolutions, but for the next hour or so, I'm just contestant number 4. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate to you a solution that we've created that has solved one of the country's most pressing and important issues. And that issue is where to seat millionaire celebrities at the Academy Awards. Now, come on, seriously. You know how frustrating it can be when someone's been seated in your seat on the plane? Imagine if that guy was Jack Nicholson. Very important issues. So what we've created is a purely original and innovative new solution that helps the Academy Awards to more efficiently manage all the ticketing for their Oscar awards every year and actually reduce the 150 or so seating conflicts down to an error rate of nearly 0. Well, we've done this all using the power and flexibility of the new FileMaker Server Advanced. So the legacy system, which you see up on screen, which was given to us, by the way, is actually a FileMaker Pro database, which we're now logged into FileMaker Pro Server as a guest. And in this database, one record equals one individual who needs to be seated at the awards. The venue interface that they've given to us was completely, does not exist, as a matter of fact. So our solution here, we've created an executable file interface for their FileMaker system that's actually no more than 1.5 megabytes in size, which allows them to add records, edit records, delete records, and actually send complex instructions to the FileMaker Server Advanced server to tell the database how to perform different actions. And all this is done via Server Advanced and some URLs using the FM results at grammar. The interface, which I'm going to show you right now, does not require a player, a browser, a plugin of any kind. All it requires is TCP/IP access, and again, it's only 1.5 megabytes in size. And so we'll take a look at this here. What you've seen what we've done actually is we've digitized the entire Kodak Theater down to scale. In addition to the theater itself, we've also had an opportunity to scale their ballroom for the Governor's Ball as well. But if we look closely at some of the functionality here, you'll see that in addition to a fully portable solution, it requires only the one thing, the TCP/IP access. So we've got this deployed at terminals, on handheld tablets, Palm devices, whatever it is that you need. So if we take a look at what the trick is here, actually, is that we've created this executable file and then we upgraded our client to Server Advanced so that we're actually able to compile and send and receive queries in the form of URL strings from this executable file back to the databases via Server Advanced, all using the FM results at XML grammar. So let's take a look at how this works. Zoom it up just a tad bit here, actually, for you. You see that in the seats already, someone has gone in and seated this few select individuals: Catherine Zeta-Jones, Jennifer Garner, Charlize Theron. OK, all right, I seated them, actually. But also what you can do, if you want to get down to the task of actually seating, you see a pick list here. And you can filter this pick list. We'll go down to just nominees, let's say. And we'll actually populate just our, let's see, we'll take Sofia Coppola, and we'll drop her down here. And actually, what you'll notice, if we shrink up our window here, you'll see that I have a database that's running in the background. We can see these database records actually being created. So there's Sofia Coppola, and now we're going to move her actually to a different seat location, and you'll see the database updated all on the fly. In addition, you can actually take her and put her back into the pool. Now, how about a more real-world example? Let's say perhaps that a certain vendor is looking to get a special seat. We'll find him or her on our list. But there's somebody sitting in these seats, Mr. Biff Jeezy. Sorry, Mr. Jeezy. It ain't easy being Jeezy, after all.
1 minute, Cris.
And we'll put Cris Ippolite down into that section. So you see, this offers flexibility, multi-user. It can be deployed on tablets and the web. And and this can be printed in large format onto large screens, tablets, terminals, and embedded into web pages, all without changing this original executable at all. Up to 250 users can use it concurrently using Server Advanced. We've got an XML socket here connected through a JDBC connection that will push live data out to all these users. And all of this with SSL encryption between the client and the server itself. So now you've seen this technology that we've developed that mixes what we believe is a stunning interface design with FileMaker Server Advanced, and it's helped us accomplish one critical client benefit, and that's making sure that J-Lo never has to sit next to Ben Affleck. Thank you all, and vote for number 4. Thanks.